So, welcome back for the illustration of solid model in Cray environment. I'll be discussing upon how the illustration of what exactly solid model is into the environment. So, I've created a part ABC in the Cray environment. So, I'm creating the base feature, which is an extrude feature on the one of the planes. I've taken some random dimensions of the rectangle or a square, anything, and given some height around 200 and click top and come out. Mm, Further, depending upon what exactly it looks, I'll be moving into the hidden command or the hidden line to view. And as rightly I said, the color of the spaces is same as that of the color of the edge. Over if you can see, the complete model is having the same color. There is no distinguishing color which been seen in the solid model. Now I'll be checking and I'll be analyzing the mass properties of the model with respect to the properties that have been saved. So I have went into the mass properties, I have just calculated. So over here, depending upon the density which has been given, I'll be able to calculate the volume, the surface area, the density, and the mass. Then even with all dependent by the center of gravity in xyz direction, whatever is the case, center of gravity it shows in all directions. Then the radius of gyration and all the other detailed parameters which are equal to strength have been easily found out and computed in the mass and in the mass properties of the designed model. Further, um, again, taking back the model to the original shading model of the in the shaded form. Now I'm again going to the edit definition. Now the main intention is showing is that the extrude as solid and extrude as surface is exactly placed in the same panel in Creo environment. It is different for different CAD packages, and depending upon the CAD packages, the Creo has the edit definition which is placed side by side. Now I'm drawing another feature, which is an extrude feature on any one of the faces, having an 100 of depth with any diameter that's placed. And again, I'm making extrude feature which has been placed, and on any of the surfaces I have played the top surface in this case. And over here I have drawn a rectangle or small square, and now this square I have moved in inside. The moment I move in inside and give a height and operate the remove command, it removes and makes a square from inside. Now the main objective is, if you see the all the features again, all the solid features are easily made and formed in the CI by the constructed solid geometry. Now if we go and see, and on the again, if I am again creating a extrusion feature with the solid surface command which is into existence, and I'm going to draw another feature which is in the form of rectangle. And the moment I convert this feature into a rectangle with a surface option on, the cut option is disappears. So this clarifies that, as said earlier, solid command does not work with surface and surface command does not work with solid. The moment I click this object with as a feature as solid, automatically the cut command gets executed or gets it highlighted for performance of a cut operation. um, Now again, if we analyze or if we to look throughout the CSG construction model, the solid, as I said, the solid model has one single color. But if the user wants to give a color, a separate color to any one of the faces of the model, then he'll be able to give the color model, but probably the edges of the color will be remain the same. So with this, the concept of solid modeling, which is the first basic feature in Creo environment, has been explained, and I hope that the concept of solid modeling has been understood to its full depth. Thank you.